let's take a look at the Ahrefs Rank Tracker setup. Now, this is the rank tracker itself. You can see the different keywords that we're tracking, the position that each of those keywords is ranking in, and then a whole bunch of graphs to help us see how things are changing over time. Now, to set this up, you basically just go to the dashboard. If you click the Ahrefs logo here, it will take you to the dashboard. And then under projects, you're going to want to find a project that you've set up. If you haven't already created one, just click this create button right here. It will walk you through step by step how to create a project. It's very simple. You just put your website in there, give it a name, and it does the rest essentially. Once you're done with that process though, you're going to see a project show up here. You may have multiple projects. The far right panel here is tracked keywords. If we click on this, I'm just going to open this in a new tab. This is that overview I was just showing you where it's providing us the data for each keyword that we are tracking, the position that that keyword is ranking in, the change over time, the intent, the search volume, the traffic, a whole bunch of different information that we can gather here, even the page that is ranking. And of course, this does not have to be on your own website. You can do this on a competitor's website, or you can do it for your own website. Either way, it doesn't necessarily matter. But from here, all we're going to do is come up here and click Add Keywords. And it's going to give us a bunch of suggestions right off the bat down below here. So these are keywords that Ahrefs knows we are already ranking for, right? And we can filter these down. I think we were looking at like chairs before. So we have like, office chairs, big and tall office chairs. Maybe we want to add in gaming chairs as well. So we just click the little plus button. That's going to add it to our list up here. Of course, we can manually just copy and paste a list in here. You can upload different files that have your keywords, choose the location that you want to target, etc. And after you've added in whatever additional keywords you would like, you just click here. It's going to add those keywords in for you. Might take it a quick second to finish loading all of that up. But now we have the additional keywords in our rank tracker here. You can see they're loading right now. But that's kind of the setup here, right? We have the actual keywords rank tracker down here. We have the SERP features, which just kind of gives us a sense of what what's showing up on the first page of Google. The change of ranking positions over time, so we can keep track of that via a graph, our share of voice and everything, average position, etc. And then that's all kind of broken down up here as well. Of course, we can switch between desktop and mobile. They are going to be a bit different depending on, normally we're going to be focused on mobile first anyways, but looks like these keywords are actually performing a little bit better on mobile, which is kind of interesting. So that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. If there is anything you have questions about, though, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.